Alright, BM-800 microphone review, take one. What's going on everybody, Excelvan Productions here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a $15 condenser microphone. So, without further talking, let's get into the video. For this review, I will be using the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 2nd generation audio interface recording at 192 kHz at 24-bit. The BM-800 condenser microphone is a budget-friendly studio microphone targeted for anyone who is starting out at recording or wants a cheap microphone that can be used to record higher quality audio than a shotgun mic for outdoor recordings. The microphone has a metal body and a metal grill, making it very durable and strong. The connector for the XLR cable is also pretty secure and should not cause any noise issue. However, I do want to note that on my XLR cable, the little pin does not lock into the XLR port. This mic has a stated flat frequency response from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, but from my testing, I hear a boost in low end and high end, which can make it difficult for EQing vocals. It also produces harsh sibilance from my testing, but for $20, there's not much to complain. The noise floor of this microphone is only decent, but there's a simple hack you can do to remove the noise of this microphone. The microphone requires a minimum phantom power voltage of 14 volts in order for the mic to sound at its best. It comes with a useless XLR to 3.5 cable that lacks shielding for noise reduction. The mic can work directly connected to your computer's microphone jack, but the audio quality is very poor and the signal-to-noise ratio is very high and has a strange frequency response. The instruction card that came with the microphone is not accurate to what I hear from the microphone, and it seems like the company just copied the specs from another microphone. The mic also comes with a pretty decent shock mount, but the attachment clips are really bad and requires a lot of force to open. The last thing that the mic comes with is a foam windscreen, which for my testing removes too much brightness in my recordings, so I would prefer getting a pop filter instead. And if you're wondering how the audio quality sound on this microphone, I've been using it to record this voiceover. Overall, this is a pretty decent mic for the price, but if you have a little bit higher budget, I would prefer getting something else that has proper testing for frequency response and other mic specs. Anyways, that's it for this episode of Excelvan Productions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another video.